In this Get Pregnant Now quickie, we're going to flip the way how you think about any unwanted fertility symptoms so you can finally anchor safety within your body, which is essential to being able to conceive. Welcome to the Finally Get Pregnant Naturally podcast, the podcast helping women identify the real reasons you haven't conceived or stayed pregnant so you and your partner can finally grow the family of your dreams. I'm your host, Dr. Katie Wood. Let's dive in, shall we? Here are 3 things you'll take away from today's episode. How to shift from fear to curiosity when new or chronic symptoms show up for you. A simple body awareness practice you can use anytime to calm your nervous system, and how you can start seeing your symptoms as invitations and not threats. So, I'm sure if you're listening to this podcast, you have experienced at least one time on your fertility journey how easy it is to go in a downward spiral when an unwanted symptom pops up, whether it may be spotting mid-cycle, having a painful period, experiencing mood swings, bloating. It can oftentimes trigger panic or the thought of what's wrong with me? There's something that's broken. There's something that needs to be fixed. I'm not going to be able to get pregnant this way. But here's the truth. Our symptoms aren't the enemy, okay? This is how our body can communicate with us that something is out of alignment, something isn't right. Doesn't mean that you're broken. It just means that maybe we need to do a little bit more digging to bring ourselves back into balance. So instead of pushing them away or ruminating over them, obsessing over them, what if we shifted our perspective of these symptoms are bad to just being curious about these symptoms and without judgment on ourselves as well? So if you are in a safe place to be able to do this, so that means you're not driving, you're not operating any machinery, we can do this practice together with a very quick nervous system reset. If you are driving or operating machinery, you can always come back to this episode at any time. So you can begin by closing your eyes. I always like to just put my hand on my heart. If that feels good to you, you can join me and just take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. And you can just do this a few times, especially if you've had a busy day, you've been running from here to there. And now bring your attention to any area of your body where you may be feeling tension or discomfort right now. It could be in your belly, your chest, your jaw. Just scan your body from head to toe and find any of these places that could use some extra attention. And once you find that area, I want you to envision your breath going into that spot, breathing energy into that spot. And you can imagine creating space around the sensation. And every time you exhale, imagine that that discomfort and tension is just dissolving and blowing away. And as you're breathing in and out, you can say to yourself in your head, or you can say it out loud, I'm here, I'm listening. And just notice, do you feel any shift? Just letting your body know, I'm here for you. I'm listening to you. Oftentimes, when we stop fighting and resisting the symptom and we're meeting it with compassion and curiosity, our nervous system feels safe, it feels seen. So, from this place, You can go on to ask even deeper questions. What do you need right now? So you're asking your body this, what do you need from me? How can I support you? Do we need more rest? Do we need different nourishment? How does extra testing sound? Or what about that support that I've been considering, but maybe I've been a little fearful of diving in and making that choice? And honestly, from here, you can pause the episode if you want, and you can continue to sit with yourself, breathing without distraction, breathing in and out. If you have more than one spot, you can continue on with the other areas of tension or discomfort in your body, and just allow your body to communicate with you and trust as well. So, whatever comes through, typically the first thing that comes through, even if it seems like it's not right or it's not what you think it should be, just trust. Whatever's coming through is exactly what you need. So, just a reminder, our symptoms don't define us. They're here to guide us. We just have to be open and receptive to receiving and hearing that communication from our body. So, to recap today's quick nervous system reset, your symptoms are your body's way of communicating, not betraying you. Curiosity can help calm fear and open the door to answers that we probably didn't even realize were there waiting for us. And a simple breath and awareness practice can ground you anytime panic starts. You can do this pretty much anytime, anywhere. So the next time a symptom shows up for you, instead of maybe reacting to it, freaking out, what's wrong with me, you can try to ask, what is my body asking for? What does my body need? Because remember, your body is on your team. When you listen with curiosity instead of fear, you are already taking the steps to move closer to the family of your dreams. And I want to share with you, if you want to dive deeper into this process, head to the link in my show notes to sign up for my free Fertile Womb Embodiment Challenge. This is going to be such a game changer for you. I have so many clients who just do this practice, and it makes such a difference for them in their day-to-day lives, their overall stress, their mindset, and just how they feel overall on their fertility journey. So thank you so much for listening. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on our next episode, released every Tuesday and Thursday. Are you ready to finally discover why you haven't been able to get or stay pregnant? The Ultimate Fertility Blueprint is a quick, insightful quiz designed to reveal your overall capacity to conceive and help you discover potential root causes and areas to address to improve your fertility so you can finally get and stay pregnant. You'll find the link in the show notes. As a quick reminder and disclaimer, this podcast is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or protocol, especially if you're actively trying to conceive or undergoing treatment.